Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So whenever I decided to take this unknown journey on the internet, there's been so many amazing things that I've gotten out of it and continue to get out of it. But the most important and valuable thing that I've gotten out of it is learning how to create, specifically loving the process of creating. Because I myself have never been known as a creative person, and I never thought of myself as being creative. However, when I discovered the internet and learned all the tools needed to be creative, it's absolutely changed my life in so many positive ways. Because for a lot of us in our normal daily lives, whether it's our jobs, our schools, our communities, or even the people that we're around, they can often limit your creativity. Well, whenever you discover your own creative power and the ability to share this with potentially billions of people, you actually have a sense of freedom and, most importantly, personal fulfillment that you simply can't get anywhere else. And it's something that can not only impact you, but it could impact potentially billions of people all around the world for years and years to come. And that is the best thing that you will get out of being creative. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you have not yet tapped into your creativity, or maybe you are already in love with your creative side, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.